Hi friends, important banking exam questions and answers are useful for the people appearing for any bank exam or attending interview or people who are working in the banking projects. Question number 126. What is meant by NETC, National Electronic Toll Collection? Making toll payments directly from the prepaid payment instruments or savings account linked to it or directly toll owner. Question number 127. What is meant by IDRBT? Institution for Development and Research in Banking Technology, established by the Reserve Bank of India in 1996. Question number 128. Where IDBRT located? Answer is Hyderabad. Institution works at the intersection of banking and technology. Question number 129. When a committee on technology upgradation in the payment system was constituted in 1994. Question number 130. Which is the birthday of IDBRT on June 10, 1996? This lead to the birth of IDRBT on June 10, 1996 as a society under the Societies Registration Act. Question number 131. What is NFS, National Financial Switch? Enable the interconnectivity between the banks such that the transaction made at any ATM could be routed to connected banks, thereby enabling the customers of such bank to access banking services through any ATM of the connected bank. Question number 132. Which is meant by MICR, Magnetic Ink Character Recognition? The check clearing system have evolved from manual clearing to MICR clearing system in mid 1980s. Question number 133. What is meant by MMBCS? Magnetic Media Based Clearing System. Technology facilitated carrying out of clearing activity electronically, wherein clearing data was processed electronically with physical checks exchanged alongside. Question number 134. What is meant by high value clearing? Checks of value of rupees 1 lakh and above cleared under high value clearing, introduced during the 80s for clearing checks of value of rupees 1 lakh and above. Question number 135. When was speed clearing launched? In 2008. Following implementation of core banking systems in bank, speed clearing was launched in the year 2008 for broker clearance of outstation checks drawn on core banking enabled branches of banks, which drastically reduced the turnaround time for clearing of outstation checks. Question number 136. What is meant by INFINET? Indian Financial Network. RBI had taken the initiative of providing a communication backbone in the form of satellite based INFINET using VSAT technology to the banking and financial sectors, payment and settlement. Question number 137. What is meant by SFMS, Structured Financial Messaging System? SFMS, developed by IDRBT, is a domestic messaging standard used for financial messaging in India. SFMS is an electronic data interchange for banks and it uses INFINET as communication medium. Question number 138. What is meant by IFSC, Indian Finance System Code? 11-digit alpha numeric code used to uniquely identify a bank and its branch. Question number 139. How many digits form IFSC combination 11 digits alphanumeric? The first 4 digits represents the bank, the fifth character is 0, the last 6 digits representing specific branch code. Question number 140. When was electronic clearing system introduced in India? 1990. Initiative introduced in 1990 was the ECS scheme for handling bulk and repetitive payment requirements like salary, interest, dividend payments. Question number 141. What is meant by NACH? National Automated Clearing House. NACH is a centralized ECS system operated by NPCI. NACH was formed to consolidate multiple ECS systems running across country into one centralized system. Question number 142. What is meant by contactless cards? Tap and go. Card not present transactions. One of the innovations in the card payments ecosystem is the use of contactless technology, which allows cardholders to tap and go. Question number 143. When was NCMC card launched in India? March 2019. Combo card offers a combination of debit and credit facilities. Question number 144. When was RuPay cards introduced in India? 2012. A homegrown card payment network which was introduced in the year 2012 through NPCI. Question number 145. What is meant by LVPS and RTGS? Large value payment system, real-time gross settlements. Large value payment systems are therefore systematically important FMIs and critical for smooth functioning of the financial system. Question number 146. When were LVPS RTGS system introduced in India? March 2004 and it's owned and operated by RBI. Question number 147. What is the functionality of IDL to RTGS members? Intraday liquidity to RTGS members. IDL is invoked automatically for eligible participants as and when they don't have the required funds in their settlement account. Question number 148. When was NEFT implemented in India? November 2005. NEFT is a retail payment system owned by and operated by RBI at the time of its implementation in November 2005. Question number 149. As per RBI, how many banks implemented NEFT as on December 2020? 220 member banks implemented. As at the end of December 2020, NEFT system covered a network of 222 member banks and their 1,70,996 branches. Question number 150. What is meant by P2M? Person to merchant payment through UPI via QR code. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.